guys, welcome back to my channel. So it is 12 a.m. and I can't sleep, so I decided to film a quick video about some hair, and I had completely forgotten that I hadn't done an unboxing with this hair. So I have already gone ahead and made the wig, so I figured you guys won't mind. I do have one bundle left over that is unopened, so I can show you how it comes packaged. I also have the original box and all that jazz, so and then I have the final product so you guys can see what the hair looks like after it's made into a wig. So let's just get started. So this hair is from NADULA hair, and NADULA hair is on AliExpress. They also have their own website, and they have an Amazon store. So I prefer to get my hair from the NADULA hair on AliExpress or from Amazon, because on AliExpress I can save up all my coupons and, you know, use it at their store. And then on Amazon, I have Amazon Prime, so I can get my hair in like 2 days rather than a week. I haven't actually ordered from their website, but I have ordered from AliExpress and Amazon. So in this order, I decided to get some straight hair and some curly hair. So in this video, I'm just going to be showing you the straight hair. Now, I didn't buy a closure to go with the straight hair. I ended up getting a separate closure from Barry's Hair Company. You'll see it on the wig, but I'm not going to do a separate video about it because I've done plenty of videos about Barry's Hair Company. If you guys remember, I used to talk a lot about Ross Pretty Hair and how great their closures are. Well, I found something better. So I have been basically getting all my closures from Barry's Hair. I still like Ross Pretty Hair, but as far as variety goes, Barry's Hair has a lot more. Like, they have curly hair closures, they have body wave closures, they have kinky curly closures, loose wave closures, yada yada yada, while Ross Pretty Hair only has straight and body wave closures. And I'm not talking about 4x4 closures, I'm talking about 5x5, 6x6, and 7x7. On the wig that I'm going to show you, I have a 7x7 body wave closure. Alright, so let me show you what the hair looks like when you get it. So this is a 12-inch bundle. I got 3 12-inch bundles. And this is all Brazilian hair. Now, I did purchase this hair when it was on the 3/28 sale. I think I've mentioned in several of my hair videos that I usually only buy hair a couple of times a year, but when I do, I buy it in bulk because I save up all my coupons. So this is one of those huge sales that they have where I had saved up a lot of coupons and I could purchase a lot of hair. Now, I'm not going to take it out of the package because, you know, I'm not going to use it, but I can show you what the bundle looks like. It is very, very big, but you guys know, of course, the shorter the hair, the bigger the bundle. But this hair is very, very thick. Now, it does have a few flyaways, which I'm going to show you on the wig, but the ends have been clipped to where they are straight across. I don't know if you can see that. They don't have raggedy ends. The hair did not have a smell when I took it out of the bag, and I do have a small track left over here. I only use 2 of the bundles that I ordered. So this is what the hair looks like on the track, and as you can see, the ends are not like super destroyed. They're not super dry, and they're not super uneven. There are a few short pieces, but it's not to the point where you know that, like where it looks choppy, in other words. So that's just one track. And I don't think I mentioned, but this is all Brazilian hair. I do have another small track right here. So when you put them together, and like I said, this is all 12 inches. Very, very silky. I have not put water to this hair, but from previous experience, purchasing from NADULA hair, I know it's good hair. I mean, I know already, but I just wanted to show you guys. This is what the wig looks like. I literally just finished it. Now, like I said, the closure is a 7x7 closure from Barry's hair, and I did go ahead and bleach it. I have not plucked it or anything, but it's definitely has been bleached. I do seal my closures now with my Dritz fabric glue. I'm pretty sure I showed you in a different video, but I seal all my closures now. It helps prevent them from balding, because I wear my wigs hard. Like, I will wear them and wear them and wear them, and you guys know the more use you put into your wigs, the shorter their lifespan is, and I'm not trying to have that for my favorite wigs. And the first thing to go usually is the closure, because of all the combing, and the knots are very they're very easy to come loose. So the fabric glue just seals those knots, so you'll get less shedding from combing. You can also use it to seal your wefts, but I don't do that. I just seal my closures. So this is a 7x7 closure. This is also Brazilian hair. Now, as I turn it around, you can see a texture difference between the closure and the bundles, because like I said, I got a body wave closure from Barry's hair. Don't ask me why I got a body wave closure. I don't know. But you know, when I wash the hair and straighten it, everything will blend. But as you can see, the wig is super thick, and I do make all my own wigs. This is sewn on a mesh dome cap, and I still have to line around here with a track or two, just so when the wind blows, all you see is track. And I'm gonna pop this on so I can show you what it looks like. So I don't have an elastic band or anything, so it's not super secure, but my hair, my natural hair, is still not braided down. I still need to find a braider, and I haven't yet, so I have been having to make my wigs a little bit bigger just to accommodate my thick natural hair. But this is what the wig looks like when it's on. Obviously the lace will be cut, but just move it back a little bit. But this is a 7x7 closure. It's amazing. Like, it goes way back, as you can see. So you could do a super deep middle part and it'll look super realistic, like it's a full lace, but it's not, because you still got your edges out. And then when I do customize this frontal, or I mean when I do, see, I'm already misspeaking. So when I do customize this closure, it's going to look like a frontal. Well, obviously it's not going to look like a frontal, but it's going to give me that frontal look. Let me see if I can lower these lights, because there we go. So I'm sorry this video is all over the place, but like I said, I just couldn't sleep, so I figured I should show you guys what I've been working on, because I haven't really been posting a lot of content lately. Everything that you've been seeing has been pre-recorded. Why do I look so pale? Jeez. Let's try that. Okay. Everything that you've been seeing has been pre-recorded. So yeah, but I do plan on doing a balayage on this hair. I've been looking at a lot of YouTube videos to, you know, figure out how to do it, because I haven't done a balayage before. So, but the hair is super soft. Like I said, I have not washed it yet, but I have no problem running my hands through it. It doesn't have a smell. And it's super thick, so I'm going to turn around so you can see the back. And if you're curious what happens to my old wigs, because you guys know I have been a blonde for this entire summer, I post them on Poshmark. The link is always down below in the description box if you want to check out my Poshmark closet. That's where I put all of my old used wigs, and I am very descriptive when I say how used they are. Like, some of them I'd be wearing day in, day out. So of course those go for a little bit lower price because they have been worn so much. Some wigs I just make them and then I sell them because I just like to make wigs, and I only have one head. So yeah, this is probably going to be a wig that I wear when summer is transitioning into fall. Probably gonna do, like I said, a nice balayage, but I definitely wanted to show you what this hair looked like after I freshly made this wig. Okay guys, so that's it for this video, and I hope you liked it. If you did, give me a big thumbs up and press the subscribe button down in the description box so you don't miss any more content from me. And everything that I talked about in this video will be linked down below in the description box. And I don't have a coupon code with NADULA hair or anything, but if you purchase from their AliExpress store, they are always having sales. I'm pretty sure they're having a back to school sale right now where some things are like 50% off, so definitely go check them out. And if you're curious about this bonnet, I bought this off Amazon. This is the size medium. This is not even the extra large. The extra large is bigger than this, but this is the medium size sleeping cap. It's satin that way, so when I'm sleeping against my cotton pillowcases, my hair is not breaking off. Anyone that has curly hair and doesn't wrap it every night like me definitely can relate. So I decided to invest in a sleeping bonnet because my satin scarf that I wear does come off in the middle of the night because I am a rough sleeper. So I'll leave the link down below for these two. These were like, it was like $8 for a set of two, and they're very pretty floral accents, so I really like it. Anyway guys, I hope to see you in the next video.